I've seen that on TV before. Dust Daddy. Yeah.
What? I'll go first. No, I was just getting this ready. Thank you. Thank you. Wait. What? Alright, you're. Wait, where's the other one? Was there another one?
Another one.
I don't. Never mind.
Go. My turn.
Okay.
Or it's kind of slippery. Oh, so close. Might go.
Alright.
Remember, if the 8-ball falls in the pocket, then the game's over.
Right.
And by the way, thank you for the Wii games.
Yeah, you're welcome. Almost.
Yeah. Yes! Oh, but it fell in the pocket. Means I
Go again.
Yep.
Get
The solids.
the solid part. I was about to say the strikeless one.
No, these
I-
are the striplets.
Let's go.
Okay. Yes, now I get to go a third time. Alright, here we go.
Alright. Okay, that didn't go as planned. Your turn.
Everything went well as planned. Like Funky Cole Medina. No, we don't.
Oh no, you don't get the 8-ball.
Yeah. Ah, now you have to.
Oh, wait. Your turn.
All right.
Hold on.
Go.
Okay, I'm stripes.
Yeah. Well, no. Means I have to
You have to
rebuy.
go now.
Center it. Giggy. Yes!
Good job.
Ball number 7. Oh.
My turn. Your turn.
Alright. Yes. Try not to fill one pocket up too much.
Yeah.
Because it can overflow.
Mhm.
You're good. No.
Oh, you're the one that you got one in, so you get to go again.
Yeah. Feels like New Jersey.
Almost. Okay.
Oh!
Oh, no, I guess I have for now. Yes!
Yes! Oh, but you pocket the cue ball in.
Yes. So, does it mean it's your turn?
Yes. Actually, no, you get to go again.
Good. Yes.
There you go.
Oh, no!
No! Well, now it's my go.
Alright.
Number 6, or number 9. Wait, no, that's number 9.
That's 8.
6.
Oh, almost.
Whoa.
You almost got it in. What the? Hey. Wait, go again.
Oh, did you
Yeah, I may have gone.
You pocketed number 15 in.
Your turn.
Perfect timing. Foul shot.
Alright. Wait, which one means I'm the... You're solid last, right?
Yep, I'm solid. Yes! Now it's time for me to go again.
Alright. Alright. I was trying to say alright in Peter's voice.
Yeah, Quagmire. And it's your go.
Oh, are you stripes again? Just making sure. But you're
No.
No,
No, you're strike. Ah. Okay.
All right. Right.
I'm gonna go for number 1. Close.
All right.
Go.
Now it's your turn. My turn once again.
Yes.
Your turn.
Wham. It's Ian's turn.
Oh. Well. Okay, your turn.
So, do you ever come down here and play pool often?
No, not really.
You should. You could get practice. Hey!
Alright, go again.
Ah, no. Now it's my go.
No!
Okay. Yes!
Euro Pro. Yes, now you go again. You get number 14. Hey! Alright, now you try and go for the 8 ball.
Right.
Oh!
Now you get to go since I got.
Yes. Close.
Your turn. Whack.
Alright. Ah, foul shot. But that one shot.
Okay. Oh wait, no. Your turn.
Fine. No, 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 no. It just went in the cue ball.
Now I can go.
Pop it. Okay, now it's my go. Yeah!
Now you get to go in.
Number 1. Sure.
Did you bring your charger? The GoPro?
Yeah, I did. Why do you ask?
Yeah, because like the.
That's the wrong. No, this is the full battery, right?
Oh, because I thought. I thought the other thing to the far. Never mind.
Go. Well, now it's my go. And yes, this will be going on YouTube, so stay tuned. Your go. Hey, alright.
Sorry, I got
it's okay.
Now you get to
can-
go.
Alright, now I have to go for the 8 ball.
That was a mistake.
That's alright, everybody makes mistakes.
Okay.
Oh, that's gonna be
Why not?
Now I have to go for the 8 ball. Yeah, you don't want to stand behind a player when they're trying to go. My go. Up. Close. Now you go. Wait.
Oh, darn it.
Yep. No.
Now
Yeah.
you get
No, you.
Alright, now got it in.
All right. So what do you think?
I had fun.
Me too. So we will see you upstairs.
Now it's okay.
Ah.